Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create a website using the Hostinger website builder from a template. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Hostinger website if you've not already by going to hostinger.com, and then you can go ahead and open up the services tab and find the website builder. If not, just go to /website builder and it's going to open up this main page from where we can get started signing up for a plan to get started using the website builder. So we can go and create our own website in a minute just by claiming this deal. So as you can see, it starts from $1.99 per month and you're going to get 2 months free, so you can claim this deal and get started. So once you've logged into your account and you've claimed this deal and bought the upgraded plan, you are going to be taken to the next page from where you can get started setting up your website. From the home page, you're going to have the edit section where you're going to be able to take a look at your H panel, and at the left side of the screen, you're going to be able to take a look at all the websites you have. If you do not have any, you're going to go ahead and be able to create one. So as you can see, I cannot currently create one. I'm on the free plan. If you have an upgraded plan, you're going to go and be able to use the create button, and then we can go ahead and open up our website. Once you've set it up, it's going to walk you through the setup steps right here. You can go and select a template if you want and so on, and get started with editing your website however you prefer. And basically that is how to go ahead and get started creating your own website using their templates and their website builder. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.